The deep sapphire finish is flawless.
Look at the reflection here on the coach line.
It truly captures the light perfectly. To weights. The V12 engine is meticulously hand-assembled by our master technicians, ensuring unparalleled precision.
Here at the home of Rolls-Royce, human expertise meets robotic perfection, crafting the future of luxury mobility.
Utilizing advanced laser measurement tools, the chassis is scanned for micron-level accuracy, ensuring the highest standards of precision engineering. We are looking for absolute precision on the door alignment.
The tolerances are within specification.
Inside the temperature-controlled chamber, the deep sapphire blue finish is meticulously cured to achieve a flawless mirror gloss.
Utilizing advanced laser measurement tools, the chassis is scanned for micron-level accuracy, ensuring the highest standards of precision engineering.
Humidity stable at 25%, surface temperature holding at 140 Celsius.
Flawless reflection on the deep blue lacquer.
Here in the quality chamber, the vehicle undergoes the most rigorous rain and wind testing in the industry. Precision is paramount.
Absolute control, delivered with an elegance that defines the marque. The suspension absorbs every imperfection flawlessly.
We are thrilled to finally present your masterpiece, sir.
Truly magnificent. It exceeds all expectations.
It is our distinct pleasure to finally present your Cullinan, sir.
Absolutely stunning. A true work of art.
For drawing, sir. As you can see, the celestial blue paintwork truly catches the light. And now, sir,
The key to
your new motor car. As you can see, the grille is meticulously hand-polished, and inside, the cashmere blend ensures ultimate comfort.
Absolutely exquisite.
Here in the Grand Hall, surrounded by the echoes of history, the enduring legacy of Rolls-Royce.
The craftsmanship on this grille is absolutely stunning.
It truly is a timeless design.
The integration of the electric powertrain in the Spectre is simply remarkable.
Absolutely seamless. They've maintained the classic ride quality.
This 60s model, the Silver Shadow, was quite revolutionary for its time.
Indeed. A perfect blend of tradition and modernity.
The world stage awaits. Experience the pinnacle of luxury, where power